Hard times are striking the country. Streets and roads are getting risky. My mind flies a million miles away to tragic spaces of peaceful serenity. I'm jumping on my horses in a hurry. And I'm riding like in the good old days. Have been down many strange valleys, seen the marvels that make you crazy. Where life is mostly free from slavery. And people that will blow my mind away. I'm jumping on my horses in a hurry, and I'm riding like in the good old days. Going where the white flowers grow, much careless of the stones I threw. I guess I'm still too young to know the price of dreams. Only dead men know. I'm jumping on my horses in a hurry, and I'm riding like in the good old days.